Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 39, the living organisms and their surroundings. In this worksheet, we will discuss about common characteristics of living organisms or also why they need food and also how animals reproduce. So, first of all, we will discuss the common characteristics of living organisms. So, what are the common characteristics of living organisms? They need food, they respire, excrete, respond to their environment, reproduce, grow, and show movement. So, all these characteristics are the common characteristics of living beings or living organisms. Is food the need of all living beings? Yes. To ensure proper energy for growth of an organism, they need to have food. It means food is necessary for living organisms. It provides matter for growth of body and energy to do work. The same energy is needed to perform the other life processes in them. Plants also make their food through the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis क्या होती है? It's a process by which plants make their own food, while the animals are dependent on plant directly or indirectly for their food. Now, do all living beings reproduce their own kind? Yes. All living beings reproduce young ones like them, and this process is known as reproduction. So, reproduction is the process in which all living beings reproduce young ones like them. The mode of reproduction is different in animals and plants. Plants में और animals में mode of reproduction is different. In animals, some of them give birth to their offsprings and some lay eggs. कुछ animals क्या करते हैं? young ones को जन्म देते हैं, while some other animals lay eggs. For example, birds lay egg. In plants, they reproduce through seeds. Plants कैसे reproduce करते हैं? They reproduce from या through seeds as well as through parts of other than seeds. Other than seeds means, for example, potato. How does potato grow? Potato, a piece of potato having bud grows into a new plant. Now, let us practice. Write the type of food these animals eat. Which type of food these animals eat? First one is cat. So, cat is an omnivorous animal. It eat or feed on milk. Also eat rat. While the ant is also omnivorous. It eat insects. Deer is a herbivore and eat leaves and grass. So you can write leaves and grass. Have you observed how the living organisms grow? All living organisms grow in size day by day. They increase in size. Growth happens in the form of change in shapes and size of living organisms. तो हमें कैसे पता चलता है बच्चों कि किसी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म में ग्रोथ हो रही है? They change their shape and size. So growth happens in the form of change in shape and size of living organism. Question number 2. Name 3 living organisms, each who lay eggs and who gives birth to young ones. So, lay eggs, you can write the name of birds. All birds lay eggs, like hen, like pigeon, parrot, etc. Also, you can write frog, toad. All these lay eggs, while the animals which give birth to young ones, cat, dog, human being, or you can write lion, etc., deer, or all so many animals which give birth to young ones. So you have to write only 3 names. Question number, your next question is, name any 5 things in which you do not see growth. You do not see growth means non-living things. You have to write the names of five non-living things, like table, chair, or a door, or desk. You can write any 5 non-living things. These things does not show any growth. Thanks for watching.